Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you all the controls and gestures that are available on our ASUS ROG Cetra SpeedNova True Wireless earbuds. So actually, we have a couple of them. If we take the left earbud and the right earbud to our hands, these both earbuds have different gestures. If let me, for example, take the left one to the main screen. Let's just focus on this one. If we tap singular on this touch panel here, we can pause and pause music. If we double tap here, we do have ANC, which actually starts with the noise cancellation, then it comes to the ambient sound, then noise cancellation off, and then go back to the noise cancellation. If we triple tap, we can see that the voice assistant should be here. As you can see, for me it's Google Assistant. If we hold our finger 3 seconds, it will go to the pairing mode, but that's not necessary. If we tap 4 times, our volume should be going down. Let me, for example, set the volume to the 0, and now we can focus on the right earbud. On the right earbud, if we tap singular, we can pause and pause our music too. If we double tap, we can go forward with the song. If we triple tap, we can go backwards with the song. If we tap it 4 times, the volume will be going up, as you can see. And again, if we hold it for 3 seconds, we'll go to the pairing mode, but I don't really think that this is the gesture. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.